This section covers getting started in R and RStudio. Once you've had R and RStudio installed on your computer, you can begin to analyze your data, create graphs, or begin to use the Shiny app I made for you. R and RStudio are free software. RStudio is a graphic user interface, or GUI, that makes it easier to use R's capabilities. I have R open right now, and as you can see, it has a basic display with a text editor on the bottom left, the output console above that, and a graphics window on our right. You can analyze data such as get the 5-number summary plus the mean that we see here on the top left, or make graphs. This is a simple graph, but R has professional level graphing capabilities. With the exception of opening and saving files, every command in R is done through code. RStudio offers many more point-and-click options when using R. They also have a way that allows us to take the point-and-click functionality a step further with what are called Shiny apps. After installing R and RStudio and downloading my Shiny app from GitHub, the location is in the YouTube description below, you can begin to use it. First, open RStudio. You don't need to have R open in the background like I did, just RStudio. RStudio runs R in the background itself. Then open the server or UI file. Both need to be saved in the same folder. You only need to open one, but the server file has the R packages we need. So there's the server file, and here's the UI file. R needs to have, for the Shiny app to work, we need to have 2 packages installed. They are the Shiny and RMS package. If you haven't already installed the packages, you'll need to remove the hash, number, or pound sign from the 2 lines on the top, and then you'll need to run the commands. And so to run it in RStudio, we need to highlight it or place the cursor on each single line. Press and hold on the control button, and then press the enter button. I won't run it here because I've already installed it, but once you run the lines, you'll begin to see below a lot of lines show up, and that would indicate that the data is being downloaded. And then after the lines are run, you may need to select a location to download the packages. These are often universities, and in the US there are many options, and again most are sites that are located and hosted by universities. After the packages have been installed, you can go back to the 2 lines and put back in the hash or number signs. These are comment lines, so this code will no longer need to be run. You can leave, once the packages are installed, you can just leave this code. You can leave it alone, and we'll need to save it. And now we're ready to click on the Run App button, and within this top left window, it's on the upper right side. We'll click it, and if everything's installed and everything's okay, we'll see this Shiny app appear, and now you're ready to go.